what you just said. I have an extra bandana here and I can sell it to you for just the amount I bought it.
Really? How much is it?
That just cost 70 pesos. How much do you have in your purse?
Okay. I only have 48 pesos and 50 centavos. My mother gave me 80 pesos this morning. I spent some of it and I only have 48 pesos and 50 centavos. And I still need some amount for my tricycle fare. I wonder how much money I had before mother gave me 80 pesos.
Well, I think we got a problem this time.
I really need to buy this bandana, but I don't have enough money. I can't recall how much I had this morning.
Let's see. The unknown amount is how much Angela had before her mother gave her money. Well, we can solve that problem using variables.
Variables?
Variables represent any unknown value. We can use letters like X or Y. Let's solve how much money Angela had in her purse before her mother gave her.
Let the variable x represent the amount that Angela had in her purse before her mother gave her money. So we move backwards. Let me present the other factors involved. 80 pesos is the money her mother gave her. 56.50 is the amount Angela spent today. 48.50 pesos, the amount Angela has in her purse right now. Using the variable x, we can find what she wants to know by doing the following solutions. X plus 80 pesos is also equivalent to 56.50 pesos plus 48.50 pesos. Adding 56.50 pesos and 48.50 pesos gives you 105 pesos. X plus 80 pesos is equivalent to 105 pesos. Now, let us move 80 to the other side, giving us the equation of x equals 105 and 50 centavos minus 80 pesos. X is equal to 105 pesos minus 80 pesos. Therefore, x is equal to 25 pesos.
The initial amount you had this morning was 25 pesos.
Right. That gives us the unknown value.
Yes, but my problem now is I still can't buy this bandana. My money is not enough.
How much is the bandana?
70 pesos.
And how much do you have in your purse?
48 pesos and 50 centavos.
Using a variable, you will know how much money do you still need to be able to buy that bandana. Can you do that?
Of course I can.
Let x be the amount that I need to add to my money. Given is 70 pesos, the cost of the bandana, minus 48 pesos and 50 centavos, which is the amount I have in my purse now. Therefore, x is equal to 21 pesos and 50 centavos.
That is the amount you will add to your money now.
And that is how much you will lend me so I can buy the bandana.
Okay, no problem with that, Angela. I want you to look your best during the dance festival. Okay, let's do a couple more examples and then we go.
Okay.
I'll even help you with your assignment.
Thanks.
Try this with us.
Pablo bought 15 new books this year. He counted 16 books in his bookshelf. He lent 13 books to his friends. How many books did he buy last year? Let B equals the number of books Pablo bought last year. B plus 15 is equal to 16 plus 13. B is equal to 29 minus 15. B is equal to 14. Pablo bought 14 books last year.
What's that, Angela?
Mother asked me to make a list for her everyday food supplies including their costs.
And what do you have in your list?
Well, Mother told me that I must make a budget list that will not exceed 250 pesos a day. She said that Father earns 14,000 pesos monthly, but 6,000 pesos of it goes to the rental of our apartment.
Are you having a hard time making the list?
Yes, I just don't know how many lists I will make for her everyday food consumption.
Well, that is easy. Let us find the unknown value using a variable. Let x represent the number of days for which you will make the budget list. Given are 14,000 pesos, your father's monthly income, 6,000 pesos, which is rental fee for your apartment, and 250 pesos, the estimated budget per day. Now let's find the solution to your problem. Do you know the first step?
Of course, I need to subtract the rental fee from the monthly income so that I would know how much budget would be left for food.
That's right. Now you write it in a mathematical expression. Let x be the number of days the money will last if we allocate 250 pesos per day. The result will be equal to 8,000 pesos. Now, we have 8,000 pesos equivalent to 250 times x. Divide both sides by 250. Thus, x is equal to 32 days.
I will make 32 lists for our everyday budget. But what if the amount we will spend exceeds 250 pesos? Let's say 280 pesos per day.
Given the budget of 8,000 pesos for 32 days and the actual daily expenses of 280 pesos, how much more money will be needed?
Using a variable in a mathematical expression, let x represent the amount short from the budget of 8,000 pesos. First, find the total amount spent for 32 days at 280 pesos daily expense. So we multiply 280 by 32. Then x is equal to 8,000 minus 8,960. Thus, x is equal to negative 960. The budget will be short by 960 pesos. This is indicated by the negative sign. Assuming 31 days per month, let x represent the amount short from the budget of 8,000 pesos. First, find the total number for 31 days at 280 pesos daily expense. So we multiply 280 by 31. Thus, x is equal to 8,000 minus 280 multiplied by 31. Then x is equal to 8,000 minus 8,680. Thus, x is equal to negative 680. The budget will be short by 680 pesos. This is indicated by the negative sign.
That is a big amount. Well, at least now you know how to budget things. You can now foresee how much you will be short in your list. How do you propose to prevent a shortage?
Tighten our belts, I suppose. If only 8,000 pesos is available for food, then find out how much we can afford to spend daily by dividing 8,000 by 31 days. And that will come up to 258 pesos, and don't go beyond that.